Ooh, I need this. I need this bad. Oh my God, you guys, we got sheet masks. Boy, we're gonna put that to the test. I remember the last time I wore jeans, to be honest. Hello friends, happy Saturday. It is PR unboxing time where I get to go in to these PR boxes, get to see the new launches for the week. I wonder how much skincare we're gonna get, how much makeup we're gonna get, or miscellaneous products we're gonna get. I love these videos. I love filming these videos, and I love the fact that you guys love them too. But anyways, if you are brand new, feel free to hit the subscribe button. There's also an email newsletter that I send out for every single time I upload if you want to sign up for it. It's completely free. It just sends you an email whenever I upload a video, so I don't spam you or anything like that. It just makes it a little bit more reliable for you to get a notification. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. So let me just say, Joel is a lifesaver today. I'm filming a ton of stuff and taking pictures and stuff, and I have a remote that I usually take my pictures with because I love Joel, but every single time he takes pictures of me for anything, a little piece of me dies inside. I don't know how, but he seems to find the worst angles possible. And he's one of those people that will be like, yeah, take pictures, here we go, but he doesn't even look at the camera of what he's taking the picture. He's looking at me, and I'm like, you need to see your angle and everything going on the phone or the camera to make sure it's even in frame and not blurry. So anyways, he struggles with that. So I use a remote to take all my pictures. Well, I cannot find that remote anywhere, and I really have to take a picture for something, and so he's now running over to Best Buy, doing like the curbside pickup, picking me up a remote, and I love him for it because, let me tell you, I was a little stressed because I was like, if I have to count on this kid to take a picture of me, we're really gonna be losing it. But anyways, oh my gosh, you guys, it looks like we got, it's a new formula. Okay, so Too Faced came out with a new formula of their primed and poreless. It's called their advanced formula. And it says virtually banish pores. Ooh, I need this. I need this bad. So we have a pore blurring and mattifying face powder, which I am so down to try. You guys know I love my Cover FX one right here. This is a blotting powder. I use that all the time. So I'm excited to try that out. And then we have a pore banishing and blurring face primer. I'm excited to try this, but I'm a little scared because a lot of times when I try out primers like this, they tend to give me those little whiteheads. And those are no bueno, but I don't want to say anything before trying it. So I'm going to try it out. I'll know immediately if it breaks me out or not, so I'll let you guys know. Make sure to be checking out my favorites videos every single month because that's where I give you guys like speed reviews of everything new I've been trying out from these PR hauls. So definitely check that out, but I'm very, very excited for these. So it says on here that they're already available. You can get them at TooFaced.com, Sephora.com, and Ulta.com. So you can get them in so many different places, but I will have those linked down below if you guys want to take a closer look at them. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this sweet package I got from Bobbi Brown. I'm wondering if this is the Mother's Day one that they're sending over. Let's open it up. It is wrapped so beautifully. I don't even want to ruin it here. So this is the Mother's Day gift that they sent over, and I am so grateful, so grateful. Thank you so much, Bobbi Brown. They said here that these best-selling products, that they provide a moment of well-deserved indulgence. Moms are certainly among the heroes of these trying times, and that is so true right now. That is so true. They said, layer extra eye repair cream and corrector, an instant dark circle eraser under your favorite concealer for lit from within eyes. No sleep needed. And boy, we're gonna put that to the test. It says, we hope you have a lovely, peaceful Mother's Day. Stay safe and well, Emily and the Bobbi Brown team. Thank you guys so much. I am so grateful. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have heard amazing things about the Bobbi Brown Extra Eye Repair Cream. This has been talked about on YouTube for years, and I have never tried it out. So I am very, very excited about this. I know my mom even used to purchase this back in the day too. So I am stoked to try this out. I also hear wonderful things about the base that they have as well. I think I've heard Roxette rave about that, and same thing with Gabriel back in the day when I was with Ipsy. But very excited to try out that eye cream. And then they sent over a few different shades of their correctors here. So we have light beige, light peach, and light to medium bisque. So let's check out Light Peach. This is another thing, is they're also really well known for their under eye correctors. This is another product that my mom used for years. Like before even Sephora was around, my mom I think was buying this at Nordstrom's, but she used to use this all the time. This is such a nice formula. It literally just melts right when your finger touches it, and it just picks up product beautifully, and then when you press it in, it just presses right into the skin, And you can see that right there. So this is nice because this corrector is going to help cancel out any darkness underneath those eyes when you have dark circles and stuff. I do get a tiny bit of darkness, and it's only like right here in the inner corner. I don't really deal with it too much, to be honest, but on the days that I really am struggling, you can notice. So definitely will be using that probably tomorrow morning because I have been working all day and I'll probably be working late tonight. But thank you so much to Bobbi Brown for this. I am so grateful. Again, very, very excited to try this eye cream out. All right, so I threw out my hair in a ponytail because it was bothering me. It was just bugging me and I wanted it out of my face. And you know what? We're all just like, we're chilling, we're kicking back. I'm in like leggings and a sweatshirt. I remember the last time I wore jeans, to be honest. I don't even know if I'm gonna fit in my jeans if I put them back on. That's scary. But anyways, very exciting. We got a package from Catrice Cosmetics and I am so excited. So we have their Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer right here, which is really good. I love the foundation from them. It's a beautiful, beautiful foundation, has amazing coverage. They also sent over some powders. So they came out with new HD Baking and Setting Loose Powders. These are mattifying, water resistant, second skin effect. I cannot wait to try these out. And I love the fact that they sent me over 2 shades, one for when I'm fair and one for when I'm self-tans. Like, they know me very well. This is Cool Beige right here. And then they also sent over Warm Ivories. Very excited to test these out and see how these perform. So we will definitely be doing that very soon. Oh my goodness. I am getting spoiled for Mother's Day right now. It says, "Hi Madison, happy Mother's Day. Time to show yourself a little love. We hope our botanical infused skin treats delight your skin while these delicious teas help you relax and unwind. You deserve it. Petra and the Pixie Beauty team." Thank you guys so much. I am so grateful when I get Mother's Day gifts from brands. It's so sweet. Oh my goodness. Ooh, we got some fun products to try out here. Okay, hang on. Oh my God, you guys, we got sheet masks. Yes. Like, my love and obsession with sheet masks has like come back so strong right now, and I am so excited. We have vitamin C ones, which is great. Then we have some glow glycolic ones. I'm gonna be using these tonight. I'm pumped. Thank you, Pixie. I love the sheet mask. So very excited to use those. And then this is a cute little bag that they sent over right here with the products inside. And then we have their retinol tonic, retinol and jasmine flower right here. Then their, ooh, this looks pretty. This is their pearl brightening oil. Ooh, I need that. And then we have the hydrating milky mist and the rose oil blend. Oh, we have a retinol eye cream. This looks really pretty. This is their lip glow tinted lip balm in Fleur. I'm gonna try you out. Also, if you're wondering what I'm wearing right now, this is the Hourglass Unreal lip glosses, and this one is in the shade Prose. So Prose. It's beautiful. I've talked about that one before on my channel, but I'm very excited to try this one out. That makes a weird sound. Anyways, I'm just gonna top it over. It smells good. I can't really tell because I already had a color on my lips. This is definitely a product that I would leave in my makeup bag, my diaper bag, just to have on hand. I love products like this. They're just easy to put on. So thank you so much to Pixie for those. And then this is what they sent over, a Tea Forte curated with the New York Botanical Garden, and this is Fleur. This box is absolutely gorgeous. This is so pretty. I'm so excited. Joel is even gonna be excited because he doesn't drink coffee. He doesn't do coffee. He loves tea, and he got me hooked on tea. So, oh my gosh, oh my goodness. You guys, they gave me a teacup. Oh, I love this. That is amazing. This is the box of teas. Oh, these look so good. We have Earl Grey, ooh, I'm gonna love Peach Blossom. It's an organic white tea. That's like my fave. Then we have the Hibiscus Blossom, Jasmine Green, and Blueberry Merlot. So very excited. I'll let you guys know how this goes. I actually really want to try the Peach Blossom one tonight. I think that would be really nice. Thank you so much to Pixie Beauty for sending over such a sweet and lovely Mother's Day gift. I am very, very excited just to unwind and relax, do a sheet mask, and drink some tea. Okay, so next up is a package from Laura Mercier, and let's see what they sent over. Oh my gosh! Laura Mercier sent me over a birthday gift. Oh my goodness, it says, "Dear Madison, wishing you a very happy birthday. We hope you have a wonderful time celebrating your special day and enjoy this restock of your Laura Mercier favorites." Oh, you guys, I'm gonna cry. I don't expect anything from brands or anything for my birthday or for Mother's Day. So I am just beyond just so grateful. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, I am so excited. Okay, so they sent over their Pure Canvas primer right here and their face illuminator in Addiction. This is what this looks like. It's really, really pretty. Oh, so gorgeous. And then we have the, oh yes, the blush color in Fresco. I love their blushes. So pretty. I love that one. It's a great just neutral blush. I already have that one in my collection, of course. And then we have the amazing translucent setting powder that I have been using back since like 2012, which is crazy. Now, that's a long time used product, so love that. Thank you so much. And then they sent over their lip gloss right here. This is in rose gold accent. So pretty. Let me show you guys what that is. It's like, oh, you know what? So there it is on my hand right there, as you can see, but I'm actually gonna pop it on my lips right now so you guys can see it on my lips. The smell is like a really like sweet vanilla smell. So pretty. Really, really pretty. And then we have the Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick, and this one is in Fierce. Yeah. So we have this guy right here. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's like a really pretty kind of like 90s brown. And then we have the Flawless View. Oh yes, we have the concealer. This concealer is so good. And I could not find my 1N one. I have my darker shade one. I think it's like 2N, but I cannot find my 1N and I was looking everywhere for it. So I am super stoked about this. Thank you so much to Laura Mercier for sending these over. I am so grateful, and thank you for thinking about me during this time. Next up is a package from Becca, and I'm very excited about this one, you guys, because they came out with a limited edition shade called Own Your Light. It's gonna be a warm gold infused with luminous peach and pink pigments, but what's great about this shade is that they're actually donating $5 from the US sales of all shades of full-size shimmering Skin Perfector pressed highlighters to the Jed foundation. So they're gonna be donating up to $100,000, and it's gonna go from May 1st to July 31st. So that is amazing. Thank you so much for giving back, Becca. That is awesome. So this is their new limited edition highlighter. And again, this one is called Own Your Light. So it's really pretty. It's got a gorgeous, like, just shift to it. You can see it goes from like warm gold to that shift of pink. That is really pretty. And then we also have some other shades that they sent over. And oh my God, I'm so excited. I have not had a champagne pop in my collection in a long time. Oh my gosh, this is like throwing me back. Wow. Okay, so we have champagne pop. Then we have Topaz, which I don't know what Topaz looks like. Let me see what this one. Okay, so here's Topaz. So this one's a little bit darker. This is something that I think would be beautiful on the lids for me. I can't wear it as a highlight because it's gonna be too dark. But they also sent over Moonstone, and Moonstone I know is really, really pretty too. This is Moonstone. This is definitely one that I would wear for me because I am a little bit more on the fair side. So you can just see this one. Oh, I love Moonstone. I had this one in a smaller version. I don't think I've ever owned the full version of this one. So that is amazing. And their highlights are so pretty. I am just so excited. Thank you, Becca, so much. And thank you for giving back. All right, so we have a new package from First Aid Beauty, and I'm very excited because we got some new products. So we have the Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen with zinc oxide. It's an SPF of 30. Very excited to try that out. I use a sunscreen every single day. Even if I don't leave the house, I am using a sunscreen every single day. I've made it like a part of my routine, and let me tell you, I love it when I don't have my sunscreen a part of my foundation because my skin is sensitive to different sunscreens. So we'll see how this one works out, but I'm pretty sure I'll be okay. I've never had a problem with any First Aid Beauty products, but I love putting on my own sunscreen first and then putting on my foundation. So very stoked to try that out. Oh, we got some Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer right here. And that is new. So all these are new. And then last but not least, we have a Niacinamide Brightening Cream. Ooh, Peach Micro Pearls instantly brightens, reduces dark circles. It's an eye duty. Is it an eye cream? Oh my gosh. So this actually has a tint to it, as you can see. I'm gonna put a little bit on my finger. And it's a brightening cream. Oh, I can see how that's brightening. Oh my goodness. That is going to be a really nice eye cream before I put on my makeup. Whew. I'm really excited to try that out. I've never tried out a product like that before, besides the little pomade that I have from Becca that I love. That one, but that's like a little bit different. That one's like very thick, not like this, and that one has like pigmentation to it. So this is gonna be exciting. I can't wait to try this one out. I'll let you guys know. I'll do like a before and after on like Instagram stories of trying it out to kind of show you guys like, you know, this is one eye, here's like the other eye without it. So that I'm very excited about. So thank you so much to Pixie Beauty for sending these over. All right, so last but not least is a package from Pixie again. And oh my God, you guys, look at this toiletry bag. I wish I could use it and go somewhere, but oh my God, this toiletry bag is beautiful. And I love it because look at, it's got the hook. You know how nice it is to find a toiletry bag that has a hook on it? So when you travel, you can easily like hook it on in the bathroom. Yeah. Oh my God, well, they hooked me up. So it says, Dear Madison, time to get your dream skin. Our new retinol and jasmine infused skin treats will take you on a smooth journey to your most beautiful skin. Ooh, let's see what they sent over. So we have the card here with all the products that they have. So first off, we have Cleanse, which is a retinol jasmine cleanser. This is it's a retinol to smooth, anti-inflammatory jasmine oil, ceramide to lock in moisture. And then step 2, we have Tone. This is their retinol tonic. So this is a time-release retinol to smooth and refine, elderflower to soften and brighten, chamomile to calm and minimize redness. Next up, we have Treat. So they actually sent over 2 different oils. The first one is the Jasmine Oil Blend, and this is going to help boost circulation, grapeseed oil to help nourish, and then we have the PM one. So this one is for nighttime. This is the time-release retinol to smooth and refine, peptides to firm and revitalize, ceramide and P to lock in moisture. So you've got your morning and your night one. And then we have the Retinol Jasmine Lotion. So this is going to smooth, refine, firm, and revitalize, and nourish and brighten. So this is their moisturizer. And then they also have the eye cream right here. This is a retinol eye cream. And has caffeine to depuff and energize. It's really nice to see that Pixie came out with a whole retinol line, because usually retinol is very, very expensive and Pixie is very affordable. So it's nice to see that they came out with a very affordable line here. So that makes me very excited. If you guys want to get a closer look at this, I will have this link down below for you guys. But that is awesome. So great job, Pixie, and thank you for sending it over. All right, so that is everything in this PR unboxing. It was definitely a good week. Thank you guys for tuning in. Comment down below, what are you most excited about? I love hearing what you guys are most excited about, the products that I show in these hauls, to see the new launches and whatnot, so that way I know to show them and do reviews on them as soon as I can. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video.